So say we want to install some annotators from the store, so we can take a look here at the store tab. And you can see that these are some of the annotators that are the most downloaded, and these are already installed for you. For example, ClinVar is a very important one, shows variants of clinical significance. Here's also Civic, so these are variants involved in cancer. So let's click into cancer here. So let's say we wanted something like Cosmic. So Cosmic is another source of somatic mutations in cancer. So I can click install here. And you can see if you want more information about it, you can click into it. And this will show you much more information about it. So that's some of the basics of working with the store. So again, just to recap, we can access all of the variant annotators here by clicking on the Store tab. We're usually in this Jobs tab here, but we can always move over to Store. And then we can get more information about the annotators we're interested in by clicking on there. And then you can see the size of the annotator, and then you can install it.